Thank you so much for coming back. Today we have an exciting
science experiment.
Yes, and can anyone tell me what experiment we'll be doing today?
We are going to do a tornado and a cloud.
That is correct. What does the weather mean? Does anybody know?
No. The state of the atmosphere. And day and time.
Perfect. And can anyone tell me what a thermometer measures? What does it measure?
And measures the temperature.
Perfect. And can anyone tell me what a rain gauge is? Okay, what does it measure?
It measures wind.
That is correct. Awesome. And can anyone tell me how many clouds? How many clouds?
10 clouds.
That is correct. Can anyone tell me at least one of those 10 clouds? If I can't hear you, your audience can't hear you. Say it again. Altocumulus. That is correct. Awesome. Fantastic job. Okay. And now that we've been speaking about the clouds, we are going to create a cloud. And does anybody remember what ingredients we need to create? That was an awesome experiment. Are you guys ready for the second experiment?
Yeah! The first step we're going to be using is a bottle of water.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's go. Great. Now we're gonna add 1 drop of hand sanitizer.
All right, let's begin.
Yours worked a little bit. Mama, I make a tornado. The tornado is gone. Mama, my tornado! Now I can see the destruction of the tornado. Now I can watch it all day. Add disinfectant.
Awesome job. I saw it. I saw it. Yes, I did.
Mama, look.
I see.
The one drop make a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So, Mama, now a big tornado.
Perfect. Awesome.
You can barely see it. Now we're going to add glitter. Can you? Glitter.
Perfect. Now put your top back on.
Now, what do we do next?
What do you think?
I think shake it.
Okay. Make sure your top is on there tight.
It is on here tight.
Okay.
I see the glitter. I see the glitter, Mama. Can you?
Yes, I can. Now shake it so it can look like a tornado, baby.